Looking for the right vehicle? Check out the 2017 Cadillac XT5. The Cadillac XT5 was crafted to adapt to your needs while expressing your distinctive sense of style. Visually striking and intelligently designed, this crossover outsmarts any task with progressive technology and an accommodating interior. This vehicle has less than 15,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: electronic stability control, power liftgate, four-wheel independent suspension, brake assist, traction control, remote keyless entry, power moonroof, rain sensing wipers, speed control, sport package. Take this vehicle for a spin and see why so many shoppers are now proud owners.